Good morning, good evening, wherever you are around the world. This is Patrick coming to you with some government shutdown chicken, mushroom gravy, and rice today. Because when your government can fund everything but healthcare, it's time to shut that government down. I'm not a fan of Obamacare. I'm sorry. I'm not. I think it's a way to tax everyone blindly. I think everybody's premiums are going to double, and I think we're in trouble. But beyond that, we're going to go ahead and cook some chicken and rice, and what we'll need here is some rice. I have long grain rice here. Okay. I have 2 cans of mushroom gravy. What we have here, though, is 98% fat-free Campbell's cream of mushroom. I love the stuff. And then it's a Winn-Dixie brand. Obviously, it's a Winn-Dixie brand. It says it right there. 98% fat-free cream of mushroom condensed soup. And obviously, we're going to need some salt and pepper. Okay? So, now that we have the ingredients, we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, the first thing you want to do, obviously, is go ahead and salt and pepper these. Now, I've already salt and peppered this. Okay? So, I'm just going to go through the motions there. Once we have that, I have my oven preheated for 365, and I'm going to use some olive oil, which I don't have olive oil, so I'm going to use the spray olive oil. And I'm just going to coat both sides of the chicken with the olive oil. Okay, guys, now this is cooked for 30 minutes. I've flipped it, cooked for 15. I flipped it, cooked it for 15 more. And this is what it looks like at this stage. Now what I'm going to do is add our rice, which is about 1.5 cups of rice. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this in. And of course, when you are cooking with rice, the ratio is always going to be, 1 part rice to 3 part liquid. Okay? Part of our liquid, obviously, is going to be our condensed soup, the cream of mushroom. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in with some water. I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, guys, now I've obviously added the rice. Now I've mixed the mushroom gravy, the 2 cans, with some water, so it's about 3-4 cups. And what we're going to do is just pour this in the cracks here. Okay, I want to coat the chicken. Okay. I'm going to get a nice even spread. Okay, now, what we're going to do is we'll end up putting this back in the oven for 30 minutes. Enough for that rice to soak in the juices from the chicken and the mushroom gravy and the water. And it's going to be absolutely fat. It's going to be so good you'll want to shut your government down. I mean it. Check this out. Okay, our 30 minutes is up now. And that's what it looks like right now. So let's go ahead and pull this out of there. It smells delicious. It smells a lot like, Look at the bubbles coming off of that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? It smells like fall, okay? It smells like wintertime. It smells like comfort food. I'm gonna grab a little spoon, give it a little taste, see what we need. We may need salt. Okay, here we go. That is delicious. Sherry, would you like a taste of this?
No, right now I'm working on this cake over here.
She's working on a cake. She's too busy to try some chicken and rice. Working on, what is this, a TV show? Oh my God.
I'm working on this cake over here, Patrick.
Yeah, okay. All right, guys, that's done. We're gonna sit down and actually have a meal with that. And I'll be back with some more shout outs. Okay, so we've got the food plated now, and I'm gonna take a bite of this, bite of the chicken. You can see that. It's delicious. And we're gonna try some of this rice. And that is fabulous. It's good enough to shut your government down. It really is, guys. So I want to give a shout out to Joyce World Tour, Jason Callan, Cat W Magic. Oh, and this new channel I found. Got the Munchies Show. Got the Munchies Show. It's a wonderful channel, guys. Go check that out. You'll love it. The guys on there are funny, and they come up with a lot of unique items that you can find at your local store. You really can. You just probably never wanted to purchase them. Excellent channel. So until next time, until the government starts up again or shuts down, I don't know. We'll see you. Remember, don't get chipped. Bye, everybody.